Hi everyone, Josh from Riccar. We're here to show you what's in the box when you buy the 15-foot extension kit for the R25 Series vacuums. So here's what's in the box. You get a nylon mesh storage bag, 15-foot hose, 12-inch natural bristle floor brush, and an adapter to convert to standard size tools, 1¼ fit tools that you may like from previous vacuums or other accessories that you may purchase along the way. And as you can see, it's all in the bag. Now that we've seen what's in the box with the 15-foot extension hose kit, we're gonna show you how to use it on the R25 Series vacuum cleaner. So we're gonna go ahead and take the hose out of the bag here. I'll show you how to hook that up in just a second. If we recall, you get a couple accessories here that we have in the bag. One is the floor brush. And I know this vacuum is great on bare floors, but every once in a while you wanna use this natural bristle floor brush. Maybe you don't wanna get your hose kit out. This actually fits right on the end of the wand, and you can sweep your bare floors using that natural bristle floor brush on your hard floors. So that's already there included in the box. Maybe you want some reach, some extended reach to use. We're gonna go ahead and just disconnect the wand here. Connect this piece here, you'll hear a click. Okay, so these just click together. That little square there is gonna click into place. You'll hear that snap. So now that you've extended it onto there, you add the hose to the wand. We can telescope out the wand, put our floor brush on the end of that, and we have that 15 feet added to our hose length to clean our floors again, sweep our floors. So a lot of nice reach and range now added to the vacuum cleaner. Also in this kit, if you recall, we did include the adapter. Some people have specific attachments that they may have had on old vacuum cleaners, or there's specific ones they might find somewhere else that are standard fit, 1¼ fit. This is gonna fit into here, and then you can put standard fit tools on the end of this adapter. So lots of extra cleaning accessories that are added on to your R25 vacuum cleaner. Happy vacuuming.